So what's up guys, so this is the next tutorial of this Flutter. So what we will do, so this is some basic code which will be generated. We will remove it. This code is, as of now, it is not required. We are inside of the main.dart file. So I'll exactly show you how to do these things. So first of all, I will create one void main function over here. So void main, and inside of this void main, we have the run app. Okay, so run app is the function which will be running our application, and inside of this run app, I will be making use of the material app. So there is material app. So if you have installed a Flutter extension, then it will be helping you to give some suggestions. So over here I've shown you how to install that Flutter extension. Okay, so I'm getting some error over here. So braces. Uh, okay, so I think it is expecting a semicolon over here. I can even remove this pointer function, it is not required as of now. So, okay, so we will be making use of material app, and inside of the material app, we will be writing the code for our home. Okay, so now there is a concept of the stateful and a stateless widget. So when it comes to the material, we will make use of the stateless as of now. So stles. So what I've done, just type the stles and hit enter. It will create one stateless widget over here. I can give the name as a home. Okay, so I have given the name to the stateless widget as home. I will copy this. I will come over here inside of this material app, and I will create one instance home, and I will assign this home variable over here. Okay, so this is how it would look. Okay, so here it is saying use constant with the constructor. So if I click on this, add constant, and home, this is like a function. So now this error would go. Okay, so now everything is fine, I guess. And this is my stateless widget, and forget about this. This is line is not required as of now. I can comment this out, and okay, it is required. So now we have this return and constant placeholder is there. I will just remove this, and over here we will just write our code. So we will make use of the scaffold over here, and then if suppose I want to modify my app bar, so I will do one thing. I will say app bar, and inside of this app bar again I'm having this app bar function which I will make use of. And if you want to see the properties, if you can click hover on this, and it will show what app bar is having. App bar will basically have this many properties you can just go through. So first of all, I'll just give the title. Okay, so it has given me some suggestion like the title, text as the home page, and it is giving some suggestion. Add constant. I can add constant. I will just save this. Let me just restart it. So it is saying expecting. Okay, let me just save over again. Okay, so now as can be seen, after hot reload, I'm getting this app bar is title as a home page over here. So if suppose I want to align this at the center of the page, then I will give the center title, and I will give the value as true over here. And let me just save. So now as can be seen, the title is at the center of the page. Now suppose I want to give the background color. So I will give the background color over here, and then I will make use the colors dot. Then I can give any color from this. I will save from RGBO. Or what you can do, you can just hit colors dot, and you can select any color. It is yellow color. it is giving me the yellow color over here. But if you want to change the color, just click on the control, keep holding the control and click on this, and from here you can just select whatever color you want, and control S, which is for saving purpose, and I'll be able to save this. Click on this and select whatever color you want and save, and that color will be applied. Okay, so this is how you will be modifying the app bar. So you can apply many more properties over here. So if you just go through, you will see lot many properties for the app bar that you can make use of. So the first was our app bar. Next, what we can do is we can work on the body over here. So I'll say the body, and body is basically represents this particular area over here. Okay, so now what I will do, body will basically, I will try to align something at the center of the body, so I will make use of the center. Then it will have the child, and I want to show the text. Okay, so that's why I will make use of the text over here, and I will just give the text as a hello world, and I will save. So now as can be seen, I'm seeing this hello world at the center of the body, because I have wrapped it around the center over here. So it is showing some suggestions. So it is saying add constant modifier. I have added a constant modifier over here. That's okay as of now. And now if suppose you want to add styling to this text, I will say style, and let me just use this auto completed code. So I'll make use the attribute style. Then this one is a text style. Okay, I will give the font size as 24, and this is the font weight. So let me just instead do everything manually only. I will say style, and then I am having the text style over here. So inside of the text style, there is something as a font size. Okay, so you can define the font size over here, 20.0 I will give, and there is this font weight. Okay, so font weight, for that purpose, you can give this many font weights, which is giving the suggestions. I will give the font weight bold, and next what I'm having is letter spacing. If you want to give, I will give the letter spacing as 2.0. Okay, so let me just save this. So as can be seen, you can see the effect of this styling on my text over here. Okay, so I hope this is fine. If you want to give the color, you can give the colors dot, and you can modify also. There's not at all any problem. Let me just save this. Okay, so it's like a blue. So now you can be seen the hello world is being shown blue in blue color at the center, and yeah, that's all over here. So next, what I'm gonna show you all is about the image and all, so which we will see in the future classes. I think this much is enough for this tutorial. So thanks for watching. I hope you people understood what I have done over here. So yeah, this is the main function over here. Then we make sure the run app. Then I have made use of the material app, and instead of the material app, I have made use of my stateless widget home. Okay, so in the future classes, we will see how to convert the stateless widget into stateful widget and everything. So stick around, and we will learn lot many things. So thanks for watching.